Myself Lakshmi Medwal. Today I am deal with the synergy, types of synergy, value creation in merger and acquisition. Let's see about the meaning of synergy. Synergy is a concept that allows two or more companies to combine together and either generate more profits or reduce costs together. These companies believe that combining with each other gives them more benefits than being a single and doing the same. Synergy is a concept that combined value and performance of two companies will be generated than the sum of the separate individual parts. Types of synergy. There are three types of synergies: revenue synergies, cost synergies, financial synergies. Revenue synergies. A revenue synergy is when a result of an acquisition, the combined company is able to generate more sales than the two companies would be able to separately. If two companies go through revenue synergy, they happen to sell more products. Cost synergy. Cost synergy refers to the opportunity as a result of an acquisition for the combined company to reduce cost more than the two companies would be able to do individually. Cost reduction is one of the most important benefits of a cost synergy. Cost synergy is quite effective when the right companies merge together. Financial synergy. In some cases, combining companies can result in a financial advantages stand-alone companies would be otherwise unable to achieve individually. If a mid-level company goes to borrow a loan from a bank, the bank may charge more interest. It is when a two mid-sized companies merge together to create a financial advantages. Value creation in merger and acquisition. Value creation in merger and acquisition is a goal driver test of any merger and acquisition deal, generating a creation strategy at the commencement of target evaluation, then analyzing and perfecting it into the pre-deal activity is an important activity that should being to push both the deal process and integration design and the planning. Thank you.